What's going on again, world? I got another cold steel unboxing today. This time I got the Walkabout stick and arrived just now. Also got it at the same place again. And I'm very excited once more. So let's open it up and see what we have. So I got another cold steel right here. Another cold steel can again. So here it is. I just arrived just now. And first things first, make sure everything's right here. Almost there. Let's see what we have. So here we go again. Okay, put that there. So here's another one. All right, let's open it up and see if it's in good shape. All right, so this is what I got again today. So same place, I got it on Midway again. So this is the Walkabout stick. So it's brand new, out of the box. Arrived just now. All right, so make sure everything's right. I just want to make sure it's everything's in good shape here. Yeah, it's perfect. And also I got this for a good budget once again for about. So again, I got this for about over $40. It's worth the money again. I got this for awesome budget. This will be my fourth walking stick, by the way. Yeah, guys, I'm getting into these sticks, these walking sticks. So this will be my fourth one, and yeah, I'm very excited again. Let's make sure we're okay here. All right, let's show you up close. This is the Walkabout stick. This is what I got this time. Okay, right here. Make sure you have a good view and good focus. Same length. It's about over 37 inches overall length. So yeah, this is what I got this time today. There. So again, for over $40, worth buying again. So this is the steel Walkabout stick. That's what it's called. All right. So yeah, it's brand new, out of the box. This is it. This is what I got from Midway again. Same place. Okay, put it right here. All right, the usual recommendations, absolutely, for $40, worth buying again. Yeah, a lot of these, all these walking sticks are about over $40, so it's worth the money as always. Yes, again, good tool, good hiking tool, jogging, and yes, this is also good self-defense tool as well. So this will be my fourth walking stick, by the way. Yes, I'm satisfied again. No complaints. Arrived on time. In it's in great shape. No problems again at all. All right, let's look at it again one more time. So this is what I got, the Walkabout stick. And no problems at all. I'm satisfied with my purchase once more. Got my money's worth for $40. Yes, this is what I got. And there you go. That's how it works again. Good tool. Good hiking tool. Yeah, hiking. Yeah, perfect for hiking, jogging, and yes, this is also a good self-defense tool. That's what it's made for as well. Yeah, it's very solid. Yeah, it's good. No problems at all. Perfect. I'm satisfied with my purchase again. Got my money's worth here. All right, let's show you again one more time. So this is the Walkabout stick. That's what I got this time. My fourth came by the way. Yes, I do have the others a few months ago. Got them a few months ago, and they're in great shape. So that's what it is. The Walkabout stick this time. And right there. And there you have it. I gave you a good unboxing review on the Cold Steel Walkabout stick that I got on Midwayusa again. For over $40, it's again it's worth a buy. No problem, no complaints at all. This will be my fourth walking stick, by the way. Yeah, I'm getting into these canes, by the way. So I don't know which one I'm gonna get next. Maybe I'm probably gonna get I'll probably get another one later on. I'll see. I'll save up again for Usually these are around like over $40. That's how much they cost. So okay, so there you go. I give you a good unboxing review on again the Walkabout stick. So the usual, if you come across this, let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.